When it comes to truck buying, there's two difficult choices to make. Would you much rather have a TRD off-road package or the upgraded luxuries of a limited package? Well, now you can have both with the 2024 Tundra Crew Max TRD Limited Off-Road Package. All the beauty and finesse and luxuries of a high-end limited package with all your off-roading capabilities in one truck. The 24 Tundra Limited Off-Road has your TRD rims, TRD grille, TRD badging on the outside and within the vehicle. Most of the Tundra trims come with a hands-free release for your tailgate. It's always here on this side. Just say you're coming, got lots of stuff. Just use your elbow. It releases. You can fit lots of stuff in your truck bed, and the snow is complimentary. Limited off-road package comes standard with heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, full panoramic roof, wireless charging pad, dual zone climate control, beautiful Softex interior, and of course with the TRD off-road combination of the badging on the interior. One of the key features of the limited off-road package is of course the full panoramic view monitor. So you have your backup camera, shows a 360-degree view of everything that's around you. You can also adjust the different angles so you can pinpoint exactly where you need to see. When you are going at low speeds or actually off-roading, this is the view that you would want, and it'll actually show you where your tires are, and you can see everything that's around in case there's ever an obstruction. It's easier for you to see, so you can also do it driving at low speeds. The limited off-road offers the multi-terrain select, but you have to be in 4 high in order to transition using your turn knob. So you have dirt, sand, mud, and deep snow. Thanks for taking the time to check out the 2024 TRD Tundra Limited Off-Road. So you should come down to Autoline Toyota and see us because we actually have them in stock because it's time to Toyota.